HRYNENKO, ZHOU and Mortensen go lanes 1 to 8. The swimmers waiting in the call room. They'll be called onto pool deck one by one. The individual starters in the men's 100 backstroke S8. Swimming in lane 8, representing Denmark, the 21-year-old from Aarhus, no medals at either the Paralympic Games or the World Championships. Wanting to change that from the 8th lane. AUNGLES representing Australia, the man who made his international debut for Australia at the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow 2 years ago, winning silver in the 200 back. Swims the 100 back from lane 1. Cong, the 27-year-old from ZHOU province, capital of Jiangsu province, Nanjing, one of the great cities in China, seriously injured in a car accident at 15 while already a promising swimmer. Pipo CARLOMAGNO goes in lane 2. His father, Fernando, also a Paralympic swimmer, three editions. He represented Argentina, and his mother, Mirna, was a coach of the Argentine para-swimming team. Bohdan HRYNENKO, the 21-year-old, goes in lane 6 for Ukraine. He's yet to win an individual medal at either a World Championships or a Paralympic Games, but has won a handful of relay medals. Well, CARLOMAGNO might come from sporting stock, but so too Oliver HYND. His brother was a Paralympic champion in Beijing first off, and now Oliver HYND is a Paralympic champion, having already won the 400 free. 21-year-old goes in 3. Iurii BOZHYNSKYI of Ukraine goes in lane 5. 24-year-old silver medalist at the 2015 World Championships, and indeed the reigning European champion. But Robert GRISWOLD of the United States goes in lane 4, the 19-year-old world record holder in the 200 back. The man who set the Paralympic record in heats. His aim is the world record in the final. Robert GRISWOLD, confirmation of his Paralympic record, 105.33, quickest to qualify in the preliminaries. So GRISWOLD, arguably the favourites, goes in lane 4. This is a backstroke, so the swimmers will start in the pool. On the competitive track since the age of 9, Robert GRISWOLD a chance to prove his ability in the water here. One of his favourite strokes, the 100 back, world record at 103.32. UNGLES, CARLOMAGNO, HYND, GRISWOLD, BOZHYNSKYI, HRYNENKO, ZHOU and Mortensen. HYND got off to a decent start, but going in lane 2, CARLOMAGNO set the pace off the blocks, but going in lane 8, Niels Mortensen has absolutely gone out flying. Will he be able to maintain this kind of pace? ZHOU, though, breaks up on his outside and looks to be leading along with BOZHYNSKYI and GRISWOLD of Ukraine and the United States, respectively. HYND is not out of this, and indeed CARLOMAGNO is not dropping back.
1:54, but a lot depends on that turn as to how they set themselves up and power home for the final 50.
Well, the top 5 touching just outside a second, and we might not be on world record pace here, but ZHOU is making a fine race from lane 7. GRISWOLD is fighting to get back into this race. HYND is trying to stay with him. They at the moment are in silver and bronze medal positions, but the battle for silver looks to be HYND coming in, and he's quickened his pace. A world record on the cards here for ZHOU, swimming from lane 7, touches for gold. HYND takes the silver, and GRISWOLD only managing to find the bronze medal in this race. But how about that for challenging? ZHOU Cong went out with one objective in mind, and that was to win the gold medal. He's done it in world record time. Konstantin Lysenkov's world record from the World Championships 3 years ago is gone. GRISWOLD and HYND alongside one another. There's GRISWOLD on the right and HYND on the left. The two congratulating one another. But a phenomenal swim from ZHOU. CARLOMAGNO led out early, but aside from that, ZHOU was virtually well, he was behind world record pace until at the 25, and even at the 15 to go, he was only just on world record pace, but suddenly turned it on. Definitely gas in that tank. Came in hot. World record time for ZHOU Cong. 1:02.